gotta go right now. You gotta fuck it up, oh yeah. You better fuck it up, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Fuck it up, fuck 'em up, oh yeah. You better get out there. It's so up, ain't gon' stop it. Oh yeah, okay, let's get it in. And I know that you coming in, so don't play. And I know that you gonna swing it my way. Level up on the beat, go up on the beach. You gotta level up right now. You gotta go up right now. You gotta fuck it up, oh yeah. You gotta go fuck it up now. You gotta fuck it up, oh yeah. You gotta fuck it up, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Fuck it up, fuck 'em up, oh yeah. You better get out there. It's so up, ain't gon' stop it. Oh yeah.
Line tonight. Look at this. Isn't enough to put Oscar away.
Following here at NXT, and Alexa Bliss actually reaches out to her fans.
Look at Alexa here. Look at that sunset flip. One more time. But hold on, Alexa Bliss. Sunset flip.
Turnbuckle was looking for Bailey to belly. Oh! Great counter.
Alexa Bliss just averted disaster. Oh! Look at that. Oh, there we go. Right there, one back. Oh, wow.
Roll up there by Alexa Bliss.
Nice reversal by Bliss.
Sunset, here's the cover. Oh, and again, another shot to the ribs there.
Oh, got it that time.
Code Red. Flair with a hold of Alexa. Oh, Code Red. Been in for over 28 minutes at this point. Oh, point you were making a moment ago. Wait a minute. Oh, my. Oh, Alexa Bliss, sunset flip.
Alexa Bliss on the cover of Muscle Fitness, hers, Code Red.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Sunset follow weeks back.
Oh.
Pick up this victory here tonight in Columbus.
Oh,
Oh, look out. Is that enough?
Banks might be out on her feet. And now she's definitely out.
Looking for the victory. Matchup between these two women.
Wow. Oh, man.
Wow. Is this enough to put some
brawl now, which is exactly what Shayna Baszler wants.
Gotta go right now. You gotta fuck it up.